What's going on, guys? Today we're going to try out a different video format I've been working on implementing for a while now called Pure Sound, where we focus solely and completely on the unique sound qualities of special and high-performance automobiles like this 2016 Jaguar F-Type R. I know a lot of you look forward to the sound clips I implement into each and every video, from the interior clips to the static revs and GoPro shots on the back bumper. I used to put a little bit more sound clips in than I do now, just for the simple fact that some people didn't want to sit through a solid 30 seconds or a minute worth of sound clips, which doesn't really make sense to me, but you know, to each his own. So that's where this video comes in. Pure Sound is going to focus on just sound, as the name suggests. I'm going to give you every different perspective that I could possibly think of, and sometimes even take it out on the track, including cold starts, the inside shots, and all of that kind of stuff, a lot more in-depth than I would in a typical full-length review. So without further ado, what better way to kick this off than one of the best sounding cars currently on the market, the 2016 Jaguar F-Type R. So to start the F-Type, just keep the key fob within the interior, put your foot on the brake, and then hit the console mounted button to go. I'll talk about this more during my in-depth review, but to the left of the gear selector is your dynamic mode select switch. There's also like a snow, wet, low traction mode that you can put the car in, but when you put it into dynamic mode, in addition to making the instrumentation glow bright red, it also activates the dual mode exhaust system by opening up the extra bypass valves, allowing more airflow and the amazing sound that a lot of you guys know from the F-Type already. You can manually select it otherwise. Despite being in dynamic mode, you can close it up and make the pipes quieter, or if you're in the normal driving mode, you can open the pipes back up. So let's do a sound comparison clip between the normal mode and dynamic mode. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the pure sound. Please leave me your feedback in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you to see if this is something you'd like to see a little bit more on a regular basis. So until next time guys, take care. There's always a lot more that came from.